4 people were hospitalised following an arson attack in West Dublin on Sunday night. Two young children were among those injured, and I'm joined now by Irish Independent senior journalist Robin Schiller. Robin, what do we know about this attack?
Good morning, Ciara. Well, emergency services were alerted to a house fire in Aylmer Drive in Newcastle at around 5 o'clock yesterday morning. Now, at the time, there were four occupants in the house. As I said, there are two young children, and they had to be rescued by members of Dublin Fire Brigade using a ladder to reach an upstairs window. Now, thankfully, they were safely removed and brought to hospital for non-life threatening injuries. And it became fairly clear fairly soon that it wasn't an accident. The fire was malicious, and Gardaí Clondalkin are now carrying out a criminal investigation. They believe that a front window was smashed and a firebomb thrown into the house, causing the fire.
Okay. So it sounds from that it was only sort of by the grace of God that there weren't worse injuries coming from this.
Yeah, by pure fortune. Gardaí are following a number of lines of inquiry, and certainly early indications are that this fire may have been caused by somebody known to the homeowners. There's been previous incidents at the house, and it may be linked to not a criminal dispute in the traditional sense, but certainly a personal dispute that has now escalated. And the worrying thing, as you said, there's that this could have been a lot worse. The person involved probably knew there was young children in the house at the time. Given the time of day, it was fairly obvious they would have been asleep. And it's pure luck that
Yeah.
there's not more serious injuries or worse here.
So is it your understanding that the Gardaí are following a definite line of inquiry here?
It certainly will be definite inquiry. Now, it's one of a number. No arrests have yet been made, but certainly early indications are that this incident, this arson attack, was carried out by a person known to the family who has previous involvement for violence in relation to people living in that property. Now, the people in the property are innocent; they're not involved in criminality themselves. But the background to this dispute and this arson attack certainly seems to be a personal animus towards people living there.
Okay, listen, thank you very much for joining us on all of that. That is Robin Schiller, their senior journalist with the Irish Independent.